So next, I will be performing nasogastric tube feeding. So first, confirm the physician's order, then identify the patient, introduce yourself, and explain the procedure. So, good afternoon, ma'am. I am Jelina Rabbi Tamperia, a secondary nursing student at CSPC. So, may I know your complete name po, ma'am? Okay po. So, today po is mag-nasogastric tube feeding po tayo. So, ibig sabihin po, ipapadaan po yung pagkain niyo po, yung mga iniinom na gamot, through this tube po. So, ginagamit po ito para matulungan yung mga client na hirap pong lumunok, mumuya, o kumain. So, next is don appropriate hand wash thoroughly and don appropriate PPE. Don appropriate PPE, then prepare the equipment. So, a personal protective equipment or PPE, an enteral infusion pump, a tubing and bag, then a 60 ml lower tip syringe, then a stethoscope, then a water or sterile water, then an enteral formula as ordered, then and last APH strip. So next is prepare the formula, check the expiration date, then shake thoroughly, then always check the position of the client, confirm the correct placement of NGT every shift prior to medication administration, prior to each bolus feed, and PRN based on the client's need. So check the correct placement. So aspirate air, then make auscultate. Make sure that there are whoosh sounds. So check the correct placement. Next is check the residual amount and flush a minimum of 25 ml of water. So kink the tubing before connecting to a syringe. Then flush a 20 ml of water. Then next, or administer feed via gravity or pump at a prescribed rate. Then the feed. Then flush with water as ordered using a vigorous push pause technique. So make sure to administer slightly above the head, and that ensure to dapat hindi maubusan ng laman yung syringe in order to minimize stomach discomfort due to excessive air. Then, rinse the bag and tubing with warm water whenever feedings are interrupted. Then, dispose supplies and perform hand hygiene. Document feed hang and flush amount.